Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable autoplay on Windows 10. So what is autoplay? Autoplay is something that Windows actually does whenever you're putting a pen drive or memory card into your system or a DVD drive, although those things people don't really use it right now. Now if you do have a pen drive or memory drive and when you connect them to the PC, it actually does something like the Windows actually plays autoplay and brings up an option to do this, and that, whatnot. So to disable that, to make it as silent and as passive, you can disable the autoplay, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, go to the Windows button and then go to the settings. Now in here you have to go to devices, and you can see the autoplay right there. Now you can go to autoplay, and then you can see use autoplay for all media and devices. Now click here to disable that. Now that's how you can disable autoplay on your Windows system. So disabling means that there is not going to be that option that comes up whenever you are connecting a pen drive or a memory card into your system.